Do you want to call expired listings, get a new listing? Have you ever done it? I think you should do it. But here's the thing. Definitely learn some scripts, but make them your own. In other words, use their structure, but if you need to shorten them or whatever works for you, do it. Because at the end of the day, I think the most important thing to get expired listings, at least, is showing up early. In other words, you want to start making calls at 8 a.m. Eastern time on the dot. And you can even end at 10 a.m. because by then most people are tired of talking to realtors. So the key is start doing it at 8 a.m. Be the first one on the phone with those people. Let me know how it goes. I'll put an affiliate link in the bio so you can get an amazing discount from them. Most likely a free month if you can get a listing on the first one. Anyways, stay tuned for more.